Southeast Asia's largest aerospace and defense event took place between February 6 to 11 at Singapore's Changi Exhibition Centre. Against a backdrop of rising regional tensions amid ongoing concerns about terrorism and insurgency, Southeast Asian countries are increasingly looking to enhance their military aerospace capability as part of wider modernization efforts to secure their national interests. With Southeast Asian countries placing increasing emphasis on Air Force modernization over the coming few years, the Singapore Airshow 2018 offered an opportunity for local international defense companies to showcase their capabilities and position themselves for future growth in both Singapore and regional markets. In the previous Singapore Airshow in 2016, over 1,000 exhibitors from nearly 50 countries took part, including 65 of the top 100 global aerospace companies. In contrast, Singapore Airshow 2018 saw over a 10% increase in trade visitors, as well as 287 VIP delegations. Over 70% of exhibitors have already committed to returning to the next airshow in 2020. This year's airshow also held special significance for Singapore, given that it coincides with the 50th anniversary of the Republic of Singapore Air Force's founding. As such, the event marked the start of a 9-month-long celebration to recognize the achievements of its personnel since it came to being as the Singapore Air Defence Command in September 1968. President Halimah Yacob officially launched the celebrations on 7 February and unveiled a specially painted F-15SG combat aircraft to commemorate the service's milestone. Underscoring the importance of the event, Jane's analysis shows that countries across Southeast Asia will spend more on modernizing their respective air forces over the next few years than they will on land and naval forces. Increasingly sophisticated requirements are also spurring a high level of corporate competition, with military aerospace manufacturers from all over the world looking to expand regional market share. According to Jane's defense budgets, total defense investment funding in Southeast Asia during 2018 to 2022 period will be nearly $40 billion, with one-third spent on air forces. Jane's statistics also show that Singapore will be Southeast Asia's biggest air force investor, allocating about $4.2 billion during this time frame, and accounting for 34% of total regional air force modernization spending. Capability targets for Singapore and other regional air forces include enhancing air combat, patrol, logistical, search and rescue, and force projection capabilities.